Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Will the Galaxy S26 Ultra get major updates? Here are 8 key changes in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and what could change in the new Samsung flagship. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Leaks continue to surface online about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone, which is expected to be the top model in the 2026 lineup. According to preliminary reports, the Galaxy S26 series presentation may take place in February, rather than January. Here are the top 8 key changes. Number 8. CPU upgrade. According to certifications, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor in all markets, unlike the entry-level models, which may feature different platforms depending on the region. The flagship version is expected to exclusively feature a Qualcomm chip. Number 7. Improved charging. One notable change could be an increase in charging power. Leaks indicate support for wired charging up to 60 watts, up from 45 watts on its predecessor. Wireless charging is also mentioned to increase to 25 watts. Number 6. QI2 support. The smartphone is rumored to feature full support for the QI2 standard, with built-in magnets. This will allow for the use of magnetic accessories, including charging stations, power banks, and car mounts. Number 5. Design changes. The latest renders also indicate more rounded corners, making the device visually closer to the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus. A switch to a single camera module, rather than separate protruding modules, is also expected. Number 4. Galaxy AI features. According to sources, the Ultra version may receive additional AI-powered features that will not be available to other models in the series at launch. Number 3. Display improvements. Some leaks describe a screen with an intelligent privacy protection system. The display will be able to automatically limit content visibility when it detects prying eyes. Number 2. Satellite communications. Certification for the Chinese market indicates support for direct satellite communications. The smartphone is expected to retain the ability to send messages via satellite, including in emergency scenarios. And finally, number 1. Improved camera. The main camera, according to preliminary information, will retain the 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, but will receive a larger f1.4 aperture, which may improve shooting in low light. The information provided is based on leaks, certification data, and insider reports, so specifications and announcement dates may change closer to the device's unveiling. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.